Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is actually a new platform known as EON, and this platform is a platform where you can do some self-referrals if you want to refer yourself and make some money, but it's something that requires some level of caution while you do so. But you can make some good money from this platform and even withdraw without deposit. So guys, withdrawal without deposit is possible in this platform. Please guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video in this channel. And the link to sign up to this platform is the first link in the description box of this video. Then the second link down there in the same description box of this video is my Telegram group link. You can join the group, and that will also help you to get another notification from Telegram each time I upload a video, because I also put video in my Telegram group as well. All right, so guys, to sign up on this very website, you have to click that very first link down there in the description box of this video, and sign up is a quite an easy process to sign up. Then after signing up, you log in and find yourself on this very page. Now you can come here and copy your referral link and invite your friends. You can as well refer yourself, but when you want to refer yourself, you can make use of VPN. Download VPN from Play Store app, download VPN from there and use it to register. You can use it to register, but make sure you clear your browser, then you can try making use of the VPN. Okay, now after doing that, now when you want to fund the account on this same home page, you have to just come to this place and click on recharge. You click on recharge and it's gonna take you to the next page to complete or to proceed with the process. You can see the packages you have here. Now you can you can click any of them. You can click this very one, then click on recharge, guys. Click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will take you to this next page. Then you proceed by clicking on go to payments, but then you have to input your name here. So let me just input name, then go to payments. Once you do this, guys, you will land on this very page right here. Then you follow the instructions. You are paying to this account, you are paying to this account number, this account details. Then after that, guys, you upload your payment proof and click on confirm. And that's just that, guys. Very easy. Then when you want to fund your account, on this same home page, guys, on this same home page, what you do right here is to click on withdraw. You click on withdraw and just follow the instructions to withdraw your money from the platform. As easy as that. So what you have to do here on this same page, when you click on withdraw, you select either bank or TRC20, then proceed with the process to complete your withdrawal process, guys. Now guys, after that, the next thing I want to show you is the packages they have on this page. You have to see that by clicking on generator here. So these are the list of packages in this site. The lowest tier to upgrade is you're paying to rent the machine for 1,600, and you're gaining a daily income of 160 naira. The second one here is 4,000 naira, and you're gaining your daily income interest rate is 600 naira. So the third one here is 120,000 naira renting machine to rent the machine, and you're making 2,500 naira on daily basis. Sorry, the third one is 12,000 naira, not 220,000. 12,000 naira, you're making 2,400 on daily basis, guys. So it proceeds. The next one here is 40,000 naira. You're making a daily interest rate of 8,400 naira. Then the last one here is The last package here is 120,000 naira, and your daily interest rate is 27,200. So the income rate is not bad. It's not bad at all. It's quite reasonable. But then you're at will is at your discretion to also do your own research. Do your own research if you want to do your own research. But kindly note that I am only responsible for my own financial decisions. I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website. So everybody is responsible for their own financial decisions, guys. So if you want to take any risk, you can take with what you can afford to risk or what you can afford to lose. That is what I can say. That is what I can say on that regard. So guys, you can interact with your customer service online here. You can interact with your customer service. But then if you have any questions you want to ask me, if you actually want to reach out to me, you can as well contact me by joining my Telegram group to contact me. Then you can be able to send me a private message because the group is locked. So you can send me a private message you want to contact me or to ask me anything. Now, the minimum withdrawal from this platform is 1,500 naira. So you can make use of USDT to fund your account or make use of your bank, your normal bank transfers. So guys, that's it on this platform. That's it on the platform. And I would love to see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching and have a good day.